everybody. Today we're going to look into the book, Who Was Sacagawea? This book was written by Judith Bloom Fradin and Dennis Fradin, illustrated by Val Paul Taylor. This book has 107 pages. The timeline of Sacagawea's life and the world. Nobody knows the possible date of Sacagawea's birth. Most people think it was between January 1st, 1789 and December 31st, 1790. Between those 730 days, people think she was born. Nobody knows the possible date of her death. Most people think it is December 20th. Only Lewis and Clark know. Sacagawea was born in what is now Idaho. She was a Shoshone Indian. Her tribe lived along the Bitterroot Range of the Rocky Mountains. They often camped near the Snake River, so they were often called the Snake Indians. Actually, do you know why Sacagawea was so important? She helped Lewis and Clark on their expedition. Without her, it wouldn't be a success, but with her, it was a success. When Sacagawea was little, she was small and moved quickly like a bird, so her name meant Bird Woman. She was warned about the little people who shot invisible arrows. For fun, she ran races and juggled mud balls with her friends. When Sacagawea was 10 or 11, military Indians attacked the Shoshone Indians at tribe camp. They got Sacagawea and her friend. Her friend got away, but Sacagawea didn't. She was given to a military family. And then what she did to help everybody on the Lewis and Clark expedition, she made medicines out of plants to help them. Actually, she made food for them too. And then on June 1st, she fell sick. The travelers, they took turns caring for Sacagawea. They feared she would die. Who would be the translator for them if she died? Who would take care of the baby if his mother died? But then they gave her tea made out of tree bark and iron-rich water from springs. Not until June 24th was she better. There are more mountains, lakes, and rivers named for Sacagawea than any other American woman in American history. The United States is honoring her with the Sacagawea dollar. It came out in 2000. It is this coin right here. She's held carrying her baby. All you go and read this book. This is so fun. It is really cool. It has 105 pages. The 106th and 107th show the timeline of the world and Sacagawea's life.